Picture this. A sudden storm cuts the lights, a door jams, and you have seconds to act. Tonight, we'll stress test 30 pieces of survival and tactical gear, setups, setbacks, and real fixes, so you see what actually earns space in your pack. Start strong, the tool that can free you in 3 seconds. Relate, feel, decide, then stay for the twist. A pocket gadget beats bulkier gear when it matters most. Number 1. Resqme Original Emergency Keychain, Window Breaker, and Seatbelt Cutter. When seconds matter, the Resqme clips to your keys and delivers a spring-loaded glass breaker plus a razor seatbelt cutter in a compact, made-in-USA body. Designed originally for first responders, it lets you shatter a side window and slice a jammed belt with a diagonal pull, giving you a fast exit in rollovers, floods, or electrical failures. It's lightweight, reusable for multiple belt cuts, and built for everyday carry, because preparedness should ride with you every trip. Number 2. Condor Recon Chest Rig. The Condor Recon Chest Rig is a proven, modular platform for rifle and pistol loadouts. With elastic kangaroo inserts and MOLLE real estate, it organizes AR mags, pistol mags, and mission essentials while keeping weight balanced across a wide size range. The low-profile harness rides comfortably over armor or base layers, making it ideal for range days, training, or field exercises. Durable construction and thoughtful pocket layout help you reload, stash, and move without digging through a pack. Exactly what a chest rig should do. Number 3. EVERLIT. Advanced Emergency Trauma First Aid Kit. Built for bleeding control, the EVERLIT Advanced Emergency Trauma Kit focuses on the march priorities with a cat-style tourniquet, pressure bandage, compressed gauze, and a 36-inch splint inside a rugged MOLLE-compatible pouch. This IFAK is purpose-built for range use, off-road trips, and emergency staging at home, letting you respond to severe wounds before help arrives. Clear organization and labeled items reduce hesitation, so even a trained civilian can work faster when adrenaline spikes. It's the right mix of tools you'll actually need when things go wrong. Number 4. Gerber Gear Stakeout 11-in-1 Multi-Tool. Gerber's Stakeout trims camp carry to a slim carabiner-ready tool with 11 trail-focused functions: plain edge blade, tent stake puller, saw, scissors, ferro rod striker, awl, file, ruler, bottle opener, tweezers, and built-in carabiner. Stainless steel construction and a frame lock blade deliver confidence without bulk, and the stake puller is a campsite hero when ground gets stubborn. Toss it on your pack loop and you've covered setup, small fixes, and food prep without digging for separate tools. Smart design that earns its spot in EDC. Number 5. Zune Lotoo 28-in-1 Survival Shovel Kit. This is the Do More shovel. A martensitic steel head cast is one piece for strength, adjustable to multiple angles for digging, chopping, and trenching. The kit integrates 28 functions: think saw, knife, fire starter, and more, packed into an extendable handle, so you can build shelter, clear brush, or handle camp chores with one tool. High hardness, around HRC 60, and heavy-duty load ratings make it a serious upgrade over novelty shovels, ideal for overlanding kits and bug-out trunks alike. Number 6. Unbreakable Walking Stick Umbrella. U115. The Unbreakable U115 doubles as a weather shield and a discreetly robust walking stick. Its fiberglass and polyamide frame is engineered to support up to 140 kilograms, 310 pounds, and is warranted not to break under normal use, meaning it behaves like a premium rain umbrella, yet carries the backbone of a sturdy cane. At roughly 775 grams, it's built for daily carry, travel, and urban walks where reliability and subtle strength matter. Rain or shine, it's confidence in hand. Number 7. Wallet Ninja 18-in-1 Credit Card Multi-Tool. EDC meets wallet space. The Wallet Ninja packs 18 functions: screwdrivers, hex wrenches, bottle and can openers, box cutter, nail puller, phone stand, and an eyeglass screwdriver into a credit card-sized slab of heat-treated stainless steel. It's TSA-friendly in many cases. Always check. Corrosion-resistant and built to disappear into your wallet until that quick fix pops up. For quick errands, roadside tweaks, or opening packages, it's the tiny tool that saves a trip back to the toolbox. Number 8. IDOGEAR G3. Combat shirt with removable elbow pads. Purpose-built for training in airsoft, the IDOGEAR G3 pairs a breathable cotton torso with durable poly-cotton sleeves, and includes removable elbow pads that keep you comfortable when going prone or bracing. The quarter zip collar reduces chafe under plate carriers, while Velcro cuffs dial in fit as temps and layers change. It's a budget-friendly way to get the operator cut and mobility you want without sacrificing durability in high wear zones. Exactly what long-range days demand. Number 9. Goal 0. Nomad 10 Foldable Solar Panel. Lightweight and backpack ready, the Nomad 10 is a foldable 10-watt monocrystalline panel with a built-in USB-A port. Clip it to your pack or set the kickstand to keep phones, headlamps, and power banks topped up at camp or on the move. Pair it with a small Goal Zero battery for best results, or direct charge small devices when sun is strong. Rugged and simple to use, it's a solid power insurance plan for multi-day treks. Number 10. Jetboil flash camping and backpacking stove system. Nothing boosts morale like fast hot water. The Jetboil Flash's flux ring cup and redesigned auto-ignition boil 0.5 liters in about 100 seconds, with a thermochromic heat indicator that changes color when it's ready. At approximately 13 ounces, it nests the burner and fuel, sold separately, inside the 1-liter cup for pack-friendly carry. Lock the cup to the burner, click ignite, and you're minutes from coffee or meals. Ideal for solo hikers who prioritize speed and fuel efficiency. Number 11. Perimeter 12-gauge trip alarm. A compact spring-triggered trip device for early warning security around camp or property lines. Set a low, concealed tripwire. When pulled, the unit discharges a 12-gauge blank or compatible signal insert, depending on model, to create a loud report that alerts you to movement. It's reloadable and reusable, packing down small in a kit. For remote campsites, bare country, or gear sheds, it adds an audible layer of protection without complex electronics. Number 12. OLIGHT Warrior 3 S2300 Lumen. Rechargeable tactical flashlight. Built for duty and EDC, the Warrior 3S pushes up to 2,300 lumens with a TIR optic for a tight, long-reaching beam. A proximity sensor auto-dims to prevent close-range scorching, and the magnetic tail cap snaps to OLIGHT's fast charger or metal surfaces for hands-free light. Side and tail switches give you instant access to turbo or strobe, while the aluminum body and waterproof rating shrug off weather and drops. It's bright, smart, and fast to recharge. Number 13. PSE Viper SS Handheld Mini Crossbow. Compact but spirited, the Viper SS is a handheld crossbow pistol designed for backyard plinking and small target practice. An integrated cocking mechanism with safety lock, finger guard, and anti-dry fire features keep operation controlled, while the track-style rail helps with consistent bolt flight. Around 50-pound draw, up to approximately 215 feet per second with 6.5-inch bolts. Fun to shoot and easy to store. It ships with bolts to get you started and accepts common accessories for aiming upgrades. Number 14. Exotac nanoSTRIKER XL Ferro Rod Fire Starter. A self-contained fire kit machined from 6061 anodized aluminum. The nanoSTRIKER XL hides a 1/4-inch replaceable ferrocerium rod and a tungsten carbide striker inside its waterproof body. Unthread, assemble, and you've got a compact spark factory that showers hot sparks onto tinder in any weather. When the rod wears down, replace it. No need to toss the tool. It lanyards to packs or key loops and weighs next to nothing, making it a dependable backup to matches and lighters. Number 15. The Atomic Bear Cobra Paracord Bracelet. More than a wristband, this adjustable bracelet hides survival utilities. A length of strong paracord for lashing or repairs, an embedded ferro rod and striker for emergency fire, and a loud whistle for signaling. Sized to fit a range of wrists, it's an easy add to hiking, camping, or scout kits. If hypothermia is the enemy, quick fire matters, and having tinder, cordage, and signal on hand beats digging through a pack in the dark. Number 16. Real Avid Gun Tool 18-in-1 Multitool. Built for shooters, the Real Avid Gun Tool packs 18 frequently used implements for rifles and shotguns into a grippy, ergonomic body. Bits, drivers, choke wrench, scope tools, and more. At around 7 ounces, it's compact enough for range bags, yet tough enough for field fixes when a loose screw or stuck choke threatens your day. The curated selection means fewer wasted functions and faster, confident maintenance anywhere you shoot. One tool, real capability. Tighten, adjust, and keep your firearm running. Number 17. Retevis RT22. Long-range, rechargeable walkie-talkies. Ultra slim and pocketable, the RT22 radios shine for camps, caravans, and events where instant comms matter. Lightweight housings slip into pockets or clip to straps, while Vox hands-free, channel lock, and USB, often USB-C on newer bundles, simplify daily use. The focus is simple, reliable push-to-talk across crews, with accessories and multi-unit chargers available to scale. If you need clear coordination without cell service or complex licensing, RT22s are the no-drama way to keep your team synced. Number 18. LifeStraw Peak Series Solo Water Filter. Tiny filter, big confidence. The Peak Solo uses a 0.2 micron hollow fiber membrane to remove 99.999999% of bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and microplastics, while reducing turbidity. Weighing ounces and only a few inches long, It screws onto common 28mm bottle threads for on-the-go squeeze filtering. Fill, squeeze, drink. Ideal for day hikes or emergency kits when grams count and clean water isn't guaranteed. It's fast, packable, and purpose-built for solo missions where every sip should be safe. Number 19. Tecto F2 Bravo Folding Knife. A sleek gentleman's folder with serious manners, the F2 Bravo emphasizes light carry and smooth action. At roughly 2.4 ounces with G10 or forged carbon handles, it rides unnoticed until needed. Ceramic bearings deliver a clean, rapid open, and the streamlined profile tucks in any pocket. Designed for everyday versatility, from boxes to camp tasks, the F2 feels precise without bulk. If you appreciate minimalist knives that still work hard, this refined cutter nails the balance. Number 20. GC Outdoor Master Cook Station. Turn any campsite into a real kitchen. The Master Cook Station unfolds to a heat-resistant aluminum countertop for stoves, 3 side tables with cup and stem glass holders, utensil hooks, a lower wire shelf, a collapsible soft-shell sink with drain, and a telescoping lantern pole. It sets up fast and packs flat, so you keep prep, cook, and clean up organized instead of balancing pots on coolers. For group meals or tailgates, this station is the MVP of camp cooking flow. Number 21. Garmin Instinct Tactical Rugged GPS Watch. Built to U.S. military standard. 810G for thermal, shock, and water resistance, 100 meters. The Instinct Tactical adds mission-ready tools like stealth mode, night vision goggle compatibility, waypoint projection, jump master, and trackback routing. Multi-GNSS support boosts tracking beyond GPS alone, while robust battery life underpins long field days. If you want to watch, you can thrash that still logs routes, fitness, and tactical tasks. The Instinct Tactical brings durable brains to your wrist. Number 22. Garmin InReach Mini 2-satellite communicator. When the map goes blank, stay connected. The InReach Mini 2 enables two-way satellite messaging and interactive SOS worldwide, subscription required, plus trackback to guide you back if plans change. Pair it with your phone for easier typing, or use the device solo to check in, share location, and get weather. Compact and light, it clips to shoulder straps without dragging you down. For remote trips or off-grid overnights, it's peace of mind you can pack. Number 23. North American Resqme Gen 7 CAT Combat Application Tourniquet. The Gen 7 CAT features a single routing buckle and windlass system designed for true one-handed application, helping rapidly control life-threatening limb bleeding. The simplified buckle reduces slack, cuts windlass turns, and standardizes training across users. Trusted in pre-hospital care and widely field-proven, it belongs in range kits, vehicles, and go bags. When minutes count, predictable mechanics and robust hardware are the difference. Carry it, learn it, and stage it where you'll reach it fast. Number 24. RecPack Ultralight Instant Meal. This ready-to-drink meal delivers about 700 calories and 42 grams protein in a pouch. Just add water, shake, and keep moving. Designed for long days where fuel and time are scarce, it packs dense macros, vitamins, and minerals into a compact, easy-to-digest shake. Compared to cooking freeze-dried meals, RecPack saves water, weight, and minutes at camp or on alpine starts. For endurance hunts, through hikes, or SAR kits, it's dependable calories without the stove. Number 25. LT Canopy 4-person inflatable tent. Skip poles, inflate, and move in. This 4-person tent uses heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric with PU coating and a rated waterproofing up to 5,000 millimeters, aiming for serious weather defense with excellent UV resistance. The airbeam frame speeds setup. Thick materials and smart venting keep interiors comfortable across seasons. For car camping and glamping where fast pitch and toughness matter, an inflatable structure like this trades fiddly poles for durable, quick shelter. Number 26. SOG Seal Pup Elite Fixed Blade Knife. A proven mid-size fixed blade, the Seal Pup Elite uses a 4.75-inch AUS 8 stainless blade with aggressive jimping and a clip point profile for control. The glass-reinforced nylon handle offers traction in wet or gloved hands, while the included sheath keeps carry secure. At about 9 inches overall and approximately 5.4 ounces, it's nimble for camp chores yet sturdy for defensive roles. Easy to maintain and built to work, it's a classic do-most-things field knife. Number 27. Therm CellVault 18 Battery Case. Designed for modern tactical lights, the CellVault 18 holds one 1865-0 or two 1835-0 cells in a waterproof, crush-resistant case with an O-ring seal. Side windows let you confirm battery type and status at a glance. A metal locking latch keeps it secured to MOLLE/PALS, and internal padding silences rattle. Keep high drain cells protected from moisture and impact, so your mission-critical lights stay at full power when it gets dark, wet, or rough. Number 28. Dango T01 Tactical Wallet plus MT02 Multitool. A minimalist wallet built like gear. 6061 aluminum chassis, RFID blocking, and top-grain leather with mil-spec hardware, plus the removable MT02 multi-tool, bottle opener, wrenches, cutters, and more. The bifold layout secures cash and multiple cards while staying slim. Cerakote and water-resistant materials shrug off daily abuse. Slide the MT02 out for quick fixes, then stash it cleanly inside again. It's EDC consolidation. Wallet and tool in one compact, made in USA package. Number 29. Mirror Safety CM6M CBRN Full Face Gas Mask. The CM6M is a professional-grade, full-face respirator made from CBRN-compliant bromobutyl rubber with a panoramic visor for wide peripheral vision. It ships with a speech diaphragm for clear comms and an integrated hydration system/canteen, and accepts standard 40mm NATO filters, sold separately. A 6-point head harness helps maintain a consistent seal during movement. For emergency preparedness or hazardous environments, it's designed to pair robust construction with comfort and communication. Number 30. Vortex Optics Recce Pro HD 8x32 Tactical Monocular. Compact, rugged, and fast, the Recce Pro HD combines an 8x32 optic with an MRAD milling reticle for rapid range estimation. HD glass and XR fully multi-coated optics punch through low light, while the utility clip, rubber armor, and adjustable eye cup keep it ready on chest rigs or belts. Water and fog proofing add reliability in rough weather. For quick reconnaissance and spotting without the weight of binos, this monocular is purpose-built. If this gear rundown helped you plan your kit, hit like and share it with a buddy who'd trust you in a storm. Subscribe for more field-tested picks and drills, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. Now your turn. Which tool earns a permanent spot in your pack, and why? Drop it in the comments, and I'll pin the smartest loadout for our next test.